everybody, welcome back to Electric Tornado. Today we're going to be going over our severe weather forecast for the next few days, as well as our normal severe weather outlook. We're also going to be checking out our tropical weather outlook today. Sorry guys, I have not been making videos for at least 3 days, I think, maybe 4. That's because I was camping and I was kind of, taking some breaks, but I am back to making videos daily, so let's do it. Firstly, we're going to talk about why does it feel like it's October and August. Why does it feel like October and August? Well, we have a big jet stream and all kinds of different jet streams moving through here. And we have a whole, let's call it a cold wave. We have a cold wave coming up here from Canada, and it's going down into the United States. And the cold wave is going to cause a lot of cooler temperatures inside the Midwestern United States. A lot of parts of the Midwestern, including, it could even get down to around 30 degrees if you're in the mornings, if you're in Ohio, parts of Michigan, and any of those areas. This is not common in August. So, yeah, it's just a very cold temperatures coming down from Canada into the United States. It's like an Arctic blast pretty much, and that's why it's feeling so cold over here in these locations, which actually could lead to some severe weather in some other locations, like down here, where it pushes that warm air down and then kind of causes, possible development of severe thunderstorms. So let's get into our severe weather outlook for the next few days, including today. So let's start with today, August 26th, this is probably like our first non-severe weather day in August, because we don't even have a risk out. We don't even have a severe weather outlook out right now. We're just expecting like rain and thunderstorms today. We're not expecting any severe thunderstorms today anywhere in the United States. So if you're in the United States today, you guys don't have to be aware for any kind of severe thunderstorms. I would, just in case, if you're somewhere in Nevada, Utah, or Colorado, then just be aware for possible, normal thunderstorms, for like lightning and stuff, but it's nothing crazy. So the United States isn't expecting to get severe weather right now. So yeah, and even if we go to our day 2 outlook, then which is tomorrow, which is August 27th, we don't even have another outlook for that day either. If we go to day 3, which is August 28th, we don't have an outlook either. So we're not even expecting to see any severe weather for the next 3 days right now. So let's hop straight into our tropical weather outlook, which we do have Tropical Storm Fernand over here, which actually started way down here. It's kind of fast moving. It started down here and it kind of went up here. I didn't make any videos on it when it started, but I'm making a video on it for the first time right now. And it's a tropical storm currently, not supposed to affect anyone. It's right there, pretty much in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean, which is kind of funny, but yeah, and we do have Tropical Storm Juliet down here in the Pacific Ocean, and a bunch of tropical disturbances over here in the Pacific Ocean, that there will be possibilities for development of severe thunderstorms. And let's get you guys up to a temperature outlook for the next few days in some of these locations. As you can see, how this temperature will be. Usually the bluer colors will be colder, and usually the lighter colors will be a little bit warmer. So yeah, this is how it's supposed to be for the next few days, for the next 10 days to 14 days to weeks. In 3 to 4 weeks, we could actually see temperatures to rise back up again, maybe even sooner than that. But I can tell you guys, this won't last forever. This won't last forever. I can tell you guys that. And it will get warm again. So yeah, if we do go to our week 2 tropical cyclone formation chance, we actually do get a chance for formation within 2 weeks in this area, and a chance for formation within 3 weeks within this area and within this area. So yeah, tropical storm will have a possibility of developing more of them in the future, and we're not we're in peak hurricane season right now. It's not the worst, but yeah, I just want to point out that we do have some rain over here in Oklahoma. Could lead to some flooding. But I just want to point that out. No rain is expected anywhere in the Midwest, maybe a little bit in Nebraska. And then we just probably could see some extreme heat up here in Washington, which I've already talked to you guys about that. Up here in Washington, where some very, very hot heat would be a possibility. So make sure to stay hydrated if you're in Washington. We even got some rain over there in Washington, kind of moving into this location down here inside northern Idaho, which actually have an air quality alert. Yes, there's a lot of warnings back here, so just make sure to stay hydrated and don't go outside if you're in sensitive groups for any kinds of smoke and stuff like that, because there's probably some wildfires near that area. And over here in Alaska, you guys have a wind advisory. You guys could see some stronger winds. And actually, it could be like really cold up there, to be honest with you guys. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day. I'll hopefully start to make videos every single day now. And I hope you enjoy this fall weather while it lasts in August. And fall is up ahead, as well as Halloween. So, yeah, I hope you guys have a good day and stay weather aware. Have a good day. Goodbye.